Hi everybody! In this fourth lesson, we will explore the technique on how to change the canvas size of an image in order to realize a photo montage. First, let us define what is the canvas image in order to understand the manipulation we are going to make in this lesson. The canvas is the area in which the image will be displayed when you open it. Normally, you cannot see the canvas since it has the same size. Look at this picture. Of course, you can't see the canvas unless you execute the command image canvas size. From the displayed window, you can see the image size. Let us switch to the centimeter measurement unit. Look at the 8 arrows in the anchor box. The question is how to manipulate it. The procedure is very simple. The original width of the picture is 35.28 centimeters. Imagine you want to add an additional space on the right of the picture for 30 centimeters. You can add 30 to 35.28, and you input the value 65.28 in the width. Then you click on the middle arrow on the left. Press OK and see the result. The width of the canvas size is now 65.28 centimeters. On the new space created on the right, I can insert a title, or I can even select a part of an image from another document in order to place it here. Look at the result. Now it is your turn to open an image you have on your computer, and then do the following. 1. Add on top of the image a canvas equal to 300 pixels. 2. Add on the right of the image a canvas equal to 600 pixels. 3. Save the document under a new name by executing the command File, Save As. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access 2 additional educational resources.